Alright, y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make what I call the best breakfast sandwich, hands down. We're going to start out with some of the leftover corned beef hash that we had the other day. I got some rye bread here. It's buttered on one side on the griddle, getting ready to grill it. We got some other stuff over here. We'll show you as we're moving along here. So I'm going to get some heat under this corned beef here. Start doing that up, and I'm going to get a little heat under the griddle. Start that up. So while that's warming up, we're going to get the stuff on the griddle here ready. Got a couple slices of Swiss cheese here, and then we're going to top that with a few pieces of the extra crispy, extra thick cut bacon. Throw that on there. Get that all up in there. Ooh, see how crispy that is? It's already coming apart. So, alright, there's that. Tuck that up in there like that. Get that warming up there. We're going to go ahead and get that there corned beef warming up there. And this other slice, I got more Swiss cheese because I like Swiss cheese. So let me get this stuff here warming up, and we'll bring you back when we're ready to start assembling this and grilling it. Alright, y'all, got that corned beef mostly warmed up there. You can see I got it kind of divided out here. Now, I'm going to take a couple eggs. Crack them suckers right on top of there. That way it kind of binds that corned beef together. Get that egg off of there. Grab another egg here. Get them cooking up there. Get this flipped over there, like that. Go over here underneath this one. Now flip it over. Give them eggs a little poke so they break the yolks. I'm going to fry them up hard. I'll flip them over one more time, and I'll be ready to put on that sandwich here. Ooh, listen to that goodness. Alright. Now, take these over here, put it in there, get all these leftovers down in here, put them all up in there. There's all that. Now I'm going to flip this over up onto there. I'm eating out. Same thing over here. Flip that up onto there. I'm going to kind of rotate these around. Give them a little push there. Get them kind of stuck together. Alright. I'll bring you all back whenever I get these all toasted up. You know what, y'all? I forgot one of the most critical parts of this whole entire operation. We forgot the hot sauce. So, I'll peel this back up here a little bit. I'll shoot me some hot sauce in there. Oh yeah. Can't have eggs without the hot sauce, man. There we go. Alright. Now we're cooking. So, alright. I'll bring y'all back when we're ready to take it. Alright, y'all. Got these all toasted up here. Look at that goodness right there. Woo. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Get the plate over here. Lay that on there. Get all this other goodness off of here. Get it over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're talking good greatness here now. So, there we have it, guys. I'm going to grab a knife here. I'll cut her in half and let you guys see what the inside of this sucker looks like. Oh yeah, would you guys look at that? We got the corned beef in there, the egg, the cheese, hot sauce is all mixed up in there. Oh, that is awesome. I'm gonna take a bite of this here. Mmm. Huh. Delicious. As always. Alright, if y'all like what you've seen here, you want to try it yourself, give it a shot. It's always delicious, you know me. Always cook good stuff. I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a comment down there in the comment box. Hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please go over to the side there and click that subscribe button and ring the bell. Get all the notifications of all the stuff I do, from the cooking to the mechanical stuff, everyday life. Appreciate it. As always, if y'all weren't watching, I wouldn't be making these. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.